What's the deal, YouTube? Car Guru back with another one. I see him at the humble abode today in the garage, and we, as you already know, are getting cracking on the Camaro. But what y'all didn't know is we're doing it here. We're doing it in the garage. That's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about something came. Brother picked it up. Nothing but Jace picked it up, and it finally came. Let's see what it is. What is the Speed Engineering? Oh shit. They're here. The 7 1/8 length headers from Speed Engineering have come. They have arrived. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. Let's see the quality of it. We bought, this is nothing but Jay's birthday present. So we bought the whole system with it, the Y pipe and everything, and that came out to like 480 bucks. So let's go ahead and take this out the bag. Hold on. So it's out the bag. Y'all see the quality welds. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, these is long tube 1 7/8. See the flange. Shipping didn't take that long. Took about 2 or 3 days. As y'all know, if y'all live in California, we had to get these ships to Vegas, and then we had to pick them up because for the California emissions laws out here. So yeah, this looks like it'll go on this side. Bam, and it's sitting in there. Ooh, I think she's gonna look good with them headers on there. What y'all think? I think it's gonna look pretty good. But yeah, shout out to Speed Engineering. We could have went with other companies, but Speed Engineering is just as good as all the other name brands, companies out there. Just as good as quality, and you still get the same performance. Look at those bins. Perfect, no? You don't see no heat, cracks, nothing like that. Everything's good. So, yeah, shout out to Speed Engineering for the headers. And this is the unboxing. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all upstairs real quick to show y'all the rest of the pieces of the exhaust. There we go. Oh, you also got the exhaust manifolds. You got the Y pipe. It's a Y pipe right there. Got the CV band clamps to go with it. Got the whole system. As you see here, and they do come with the O2 ports. So you can prevent that check engine light from going on. This one right here. This is not on that side. Put this right here. That's it, and that's it. That is the Speed Engineering unboxing. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back in the box. So go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to the page. This Camaro will be sounding real good real soon. Check that out next time.
straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Got it straight up out the ground, all this energy surround me, all this fucking love, I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds, man, I can feel the energy, I can feel the love, I can feel the love. Hit the DMT and blast off, what the fuck is NASA? You know I keep a rocket, I can launch you straight to pass. Like ain't no halftime, is you ballin' or you not? Hit like 2, 3 at the buzzer, fuck the clock, no such thing as time. By your breathing, you can't slay the dragon, I'm a wizard. Why you tripping, you too attached, need to surrender. I need all the love, that's that shit I'm into. Energy whores for the vampires, I need a shield, a remedy or my aura stronger magnetic field. That cosmic love is so enticing, like David, I'm a copper field. Them copper rings, magnetic heels, I'm charged up to the max and let